Amazon UK sale. These Amazon Echo, Fire TV and tablets deals end today. Amazon's biggest ever Easter sale ends today, but there's still a chance to get savings on the Amazon Echo, Fire TV and Fire tablets. Here's all the deals that are now on offer, including GoPro cameras, headphones, and 4K TVs. Amazon customers have 1 day left to grab some huge discounts, with the online retailer ending its biggest ever Easter sale today. This event has been running since last weekend and has seen hundreds of products, including the Amazon Echo, Fire TV and Fire tablets, dropped in price. Along with their own products, Amazon has also lowered the costs on TVs, GoPro cameras, headphones, and smartphones. Until the sale ends tomorrow, there's still deals of the day and lightning deals with thousands of products available at a discount, in limited quantities, for a short period of time. If you have Amazon Prime, you'll get exclusive 30-minute early access period to all of these lightning deals. We know our customers love getting extra low prices all year round, so we're pleased to be making our early Easter sale bigger than ever, said Doug Gurr, country manager, Amazon.co.uk. We think our customers will be delighted by the huge variety of products on offer. Whether shopping for a unique Easter gift, gardening equipment, or even the latest tech, we will have a great deal for everyone ahead of Easter weekend. You can find the Easter offers here. Here's some of the best deals available now. All new Amazon Echo now £74, saving £15. Echo Dot now £39.99, saving £10. Fire TV Stick with Alexa voice remote now £29.99, saving £10. All new Fire TV now £59.99, saving £10. Fire 7 tablet now £34.99, saving £15. Fire HD 8 now £59.99, saving £20. Fire HD 10 now £119, saving £30. Ultimate Ears Bluetooth/wireless speaker now £109, saving £55.57. Fire 7 Kids Edition Tablet Variety Pack, 2 tablets, now £149.98, £50. This sale will begin alongside another good Amazon offer. Last week the online retailer revealed a very good deal for students wanting to access Amazon Prime. The online retailer has just revealed that university and further education students can now access the Prime student subscription for just £3.99 per month, half the price of the standard £7.99 Prime monthly membership. Amazon says that those eligible for Prime student membership can take advantage of a 6-month trial, giving them the opportunity to try out the range of benefits for themselves. Following the trial, students then have the option to continue their membership for £3.99 per month on the new monthly plan, or for just £39 per year.